Okay, let's dive right into this. Every single night, when you close your eyes and finally drift off, something absolutely incredible happens. Working completely in the dark, your brain is busy creating entire, vibrant worlds while you sleep. In today's Explainers, we're going to explore the beautiful enigma of dreaming brains, pulling from some really fascinating scientific research to try and understand exactly what happens when the lights go out.
And well, it brings up a fundamental mystery, doesn't it? One that you've almost certainly asked yourself after waking up from a particularly vivid night. Why do we dream? I mean, it sounds like such a simple, everyday question, but it's actually one of the most profound puzzles in all of human biology. Just think about it for a second. We've mapped the entire human genome. We're literally driving rovers around on Mars, and yet scientists are still out there actively trying to unravel the true purpose behind these nightly adventures happening right inside our own heads.
And we all know firsthand just how wild those adventures can be, right? Joyful, terrifying, confusing, bizarre. Our dreams can be intensely joyful, the kind where you just wake up smiling for absolutely no reason, but they can also be completely terrifying or deeply confusing, or honestly, they can just be flat out bizarre, like suddenly finding yourself trying to parallel park a toaster. We experience this incredible, entirely unpredictable range of emotions and scenarios every single night of our lives.
Part 1. The REM sleep paradox, the biological state of dreaming.
So while the big why remains a massive mystery, researchers actually have a very strong lead on exactly when these vivid, bizarre experiences occur. The absolute prime location for dreaming is REM sleep, rapid eye movement. This is that specific sleep stage where scientists firmly believe the vast majority of our dreaming happens. But entering this state sets up a truly strange biological contradiction that researchers consistently observe in the lab.
And this brilliantly illustrates that contradiction. During REM sleep, you have a highly active brain. I mean, it is firing on all cylinders, processing complex information, and constructing those entire worlds exactly as if you were wide awake. But on the exact opposite side of things, your physical body is completely at rest. It's essentially paralyzed by your brainstem, so you don't physically act out whatever you're dreaming. It's an absolutely incredible paradox. You have a mind running a full-on marathon, while the physical body just lies there, perfectly, quietly still.
Part 2. Two theories of dreaming, searching for a motive.
To try and explain this highly active brain state, scientists have developed two leading theories. The first one treats your brain kind of like a highly efficient overnight filing system. It suggests that dreams are just an absolutely vital way for us to process heavy emotions and organize our memories. Basically, the brain takes the massive, chaotic amount of information from your day, strips away the raw emotional anxiety, and neatly files those memories away through a process called memory consolidation. And it does all of this behind the scenes, just so you can function with a clear head the next morning.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how the second theory approaches the dream state from a completely different angle. It views dreaming as a massive creative catalyst. Because your logical, rigid waking control centers are essentially powered down for the night, your dreaming brain is suddenly completely free to form wildly unexpected connections. It's exactly why you might struggle with a really complex problem all day, only to wake up the next morning with a brilliant solution, just because your brain creatively linked disparate ideas together in the dark.
Let's move to and see how this builds into Part 3, the enduring mystery, a scientific cold case.
Because here is the ultimate twist to all of this. Despite decades of tracking REM sleep, and despite developing these incredibly strong theories about memory filing and creative connections, it's still essentially a cold case. We still do not definitively know the exact reason why we dream, but it all points to one thing. So the crucial point is, your brain may be doing much more than you think. While we literally just lie there in bed, seemingly inactive and powered down, our minds are actually undertaking this massive, deeply mysterious workload. Embracing this unknown power of the resting mind is for sure key to understanding just how complex human biology really is. Which leaves us with this final, genuinely provocative thought. What will your brain invent tonight? When you turn off the lights later and drift into that strange REM sleep paradox, what bizarre, joyful, or absolutely terrifying worlds will your mind construct entirely from scratch? It's a secret, unsolved moonlight shift your brain is going to pull off tonight, just like it does every single night. I really hope this explainer gave you a whole new appreciation for the incredible machinery inside your head. Thanks so much for watching, and sleep well.